Everyone, it's Pam, and I haven't done a what's in the template treehouse lately. So let's go ahead and do that. It's March at March 25th, and I started doing the treehouse a little different this year. So each month gets their own folder here. So video, monthly challenge, product ideas. Then we got printables, colors, images, monthly clip art pack. I just been putting the clip art with the products lately too, and then done for you products. So that was January, February, product ideas, printables, colors, fonts, images, and then the done for you products, spring cleaning planner, Easter brunch planner, rainy day activities, Earth Day tracker, and then how I changed up the Easter. And then for March, we have printable ideas, colors, images, product planning, Mother Day coupons, summer bucket list, done for you, teacher appreciation cards, and graduation advice. That is just from 2026. And let's see here. These have videos, yep, to show, what they are for the monthly. And I'm going fast because I don't want you guys to have to be here forever. I have videos to show. Now the rights, all commercial, personal. You can put them in your membership. You can do whatever you want with them. I just need you to change it one thing on it. Okay? That is it. That is it. I showed you what 2026 looked like, but last year, what we did was we put them in categories, and these are all the done for you products, okay? So there's quite a few things in here, and then affirmations. Got, I need to make some more. I haven't made any for a little bit. And then we have some calendars, of course. And then planners. And like I said, these are all, you can use them any way you want. Workbooks, journals, cards, bookmarks, trackers, wall art, coupon books. I have two Mother's Day coupon books. The other one was in 2027, and 30-day task cards. We have so many of these. I love these for products. Coloring pages. We have Mommy and Me and Halloween, and there is some KDP in here. Um, Notebook covers, vintage checklist. Those are the done for you products. And then for so you also have the templates. This is from, like I put everything in monthly now, but there is so many more templates in here. Facebook group, OP, there's presentation, there's website, product image, mock-ups. These are like templates for you guys to use. One pagers, there's some videos. So that's with the templates. And like I was saying earlier, now I just put everything in a monthly thing. But I'm going to show you a cool way in 1 second how we keep track of all this. And then we have VIP Journal Magic. There is great info there. You have backgrounds, images for, oh my God, so many of them. Like, let's go look at, this was last year's April. And they're all still here. You guys all, no matter when you popped in, you still have all of the images. So these are ones that I created last year. And then let's see here. Monthly. think I have, oh, here we go. And then for this month, come on. So this was March's of this year. And there's all, some more stuff in here that you can use. Those are images you can use any way you want. You don't have to, like, you can use them on landing pages, whatever you want. Now, going back to products. Okay, so there is some keywords in here for you guys. Let's see here. So I have some keywords here. Maybe I'll add some more. I just didn't, no one said that they wanted them or anything. So, and then we have kinds of prompts. There's a workshop toolkit, Canva how-to videos, there's prompt banks, there's email, but you also get access to a couple more things here. You're going to see a whole lot of stuff that you won't see if you have. So for the Template Treehouse, you get done for you products. You get templates, all kinds of templates. You get all kinds of resources. You get Canva Clarity Part 2 that shows you how to clean your Canva. Then you also get the Email Vault, which has resources. There's 52-week email, Black Friday, evergreen sequences, all of the fun stuff there. And then, let's see here. Seeing if there's one more thing that you guys get. I guess not. Oh, no, there is one more thing. I just need to find it with right here. The GBT's build kits. These are all yours. You can use them any way you want, personal, or take them and create them yourself. Or, like, I think, yeah, instructions how to make it. There we go. You can make them yourself. Okay, so that is what the treehouse looks like lately. And let me go back. For the treehouse, I wanted to show you this because you're like thinking, well, how do you keep track of all that? Well, here is all the done for you products. They are linked. There's quite a few for the done for you products. Then resources. We have all kinds of every month product color choices, all of that. And then every month I put what is going on here. So here are the monthly resources that you get. I put new ones in every month, then products, and then a GBT, a micro app. We also have some videos here. We also have an email co-work and a get shit done co-work call. So 2 calls a month, and you can request templates. Just no one has done it lately, but it's okay. And then videos. These are all the Canva videos and templates. We have all kinds of templates. There's onboarding. There's some prompts. I haven't put too much in there. I would probably go to the prompt thing in the main dashboard. So, done for you, templates, resources, email, and GBTs. Oh. I need to show you what I actually put in each one of these so you guys see that. So let's go down to the Mother's Day coupons. So you get a video. let's shut that down. Not a long one, just showing you some things. Um, then you get the template. And then you also get name ideas, sales page swipe, so you could help that could help you. Like you could put this in chat GBT or wherever you build and just say, hey, make this mine kind of thing. Etsy descriptions, have SEO keywords, blog post ideas, Pinterest descriptions, social media promos, and then like a promotion checklist. So I put pretty much a lot of things for you guys just to get going and stop though. I don't know what to post. I don't know what to put on my sales page. I don't know what to name it. These are all here for you. So, yes. And then, same here. Video. Let me stop at video, Canva template, and all of that. So, um, I have a lot going on in here, but it is all for you guys to make money. And I hope that if you're interested, just let me know. You can grab if you have any questions, just ask me. If you want to see what the treehouse is all about, go ahead and click on that link. If you want to know more about what I do and all that, just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube because I I put a lot of stuff up in there. Or I am going to be putting a lot of stuff up in there. Okay. Thank you.